If you're looking for a quick guide on how to use Oyster for talent acquisition, you're in the right place. This platform offers a streamlined approach to hiring across borders, helping you easily onboard, manage, and pay global talent. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Oyster can help you unlock the potential of a remote workforce. Oyster is all about making international hiring smooth and efficient. With its intuitive dashboard, you can manage everything from recruitment to payroll without the complex, time-consuming processes usually associated with hiring talent from different countries. The software lets you post job listings, manage candidate pipelines, and ensure compliance with local employment laws, all in one place. First things first, setting up your company profile on Oyster is incredibly simple. You'll provide basic information about your business, and then you can start creating job listings tailored to your needs. What's great about Oyster is that you can customize these listings to target talent in specific regions, ensuring you're appealing to the right audience. Once you've posted your job listings, you'll begin to receive applications directly through the platform. Oyster integrates with major job boards, which means you can tap into a wide pool of candidates. But here's where Oyster really stands out. It allows you to automate much of the hiring process, from screening resumes to scheduling interviews, helping you save valuable time and focus on finding the right fit. When it comes to talent acquisition, Oyster also offers a built-in feature that helps you assess candidates' skills with customizable tests. This means you're not just relying on resumes or interviews alone, you're getting a real insight into a candidate's capabilities. And if you're hiring for a technical role, Oyster even integrates with coding assessment platforms. Now, once you've selected the ideal candidate, Oyster simplifies the onboarding process by automatically generating contracts based on the local labor laws of the country your new hire is based in. It handles payroll too, ensuring your talent is paid on time no matter where they are in the world. You can even set up benefits and tax deductions, making sure you're compliant in multiple jurisdictions without needing a payroll specialist. Managing a remote team can be tough, but Oyster makes it easier. You'll find tools for ongoing management like time tracking, expense reporting, and performance evaluations. And all of this can be done without leaving the platform. It's a one-stop shop for everything related to managing a distributed team. For companies scaling globally, Oyster offers a scalable pricing model, so you can adjust as your team grows. And for those just starting out, they even offer a free trial, which means you can explore the software with no financial commitment. The best part? Right now, you can get Oyster completely free with an exclusive extended trial when you click the first link in the description. This special offer gives you full access to all features, allowing you to truly test the platform's capabilities before committing to a paid plan. So, if you're serious about hiring global talent and streamlining your talent acquisition process, Oyster could be the perfect solution. Don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive trial and start hiring smarter today.